Hello guys! So, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng DIY donut with a twist. Kasi, since malapit na ang Halloween, so gagawa tayo ng mini donuts with Halloween toppers. So, ang gagawa niyan si Kokoy at saka si Momoy. So, umpisahan natin sa ano ba yung mga ingredients na ating na bili from MK's Mini Donut Galore. So, ito siya. So, kapag ka bumili kayo from MK's Mini Donut Galore, meron na siyang 10 plain donuts. Actually, yung donut pa lang dito is may lasa na. May lasa, ibig sabihin, pwedeng-pwede nang kainin kahit bread pa lang. And then, meron na siyang sprinkles. Ito yung regular sprinkles niya. Marshmallow, nips, choco powder, milky powder, and then ito yung pang Halloween ano nila.
From the last video.
Toppers. Tapos, kapag ka bumili ka niyan, meron na rin kasama nito, pantusok ng donut. And then, dip, strawberry dip, choco dip, o kaya meron pa silang other variants like vanilla. So, gagawa sila, Kuya Momoy. Add-on pala dyan, kapag ka bumili kayo, meron na siyang kasamang plastic hand gloves. Okay, so ayan na yung mga hand gloves nila, suot na nila. So all you have to do is create your own design using the donuts and then the toppers. So kayo bahala, ilagay nyo dito yung mga yung mga toppers nyo dito sa side na to. And then, meron tayong dip. You open your dip. Ididip nyo dyan yung donut nyo bago nyo lagyan ng topper. So, yung finished product nyo, lagay nyo lang dito sa plate. Mamaya, titignan natin. Ha? Kung maganda ba ang gawa ninyo. Okay? Ready na, Jeriel?
Set, go!
Okay! Ariel, are you done?
Yeah, I actually a lot of donuts.
Okay, where's your work? Show me. Where?
Right here.
Okay.
We're
Oh,
going
you have 10 donuts prepared, ano?
I have a snowy biome.
Okay.
We have a Christmas biome. We have a Halloween biome.
How's your experience, Jeriel?
Very good.
Very good. Did you enjoy doing the mini donut?
Yeah, I want
What did you do?
the Halloween donut.
Halloween donut. Look at the camera. So, did you enjoy
Yeah.
making donuts?
And look over here, people.
Oh, so messy. Oh,
Yeah, it's trying to make a mess. Yeah, I made a mess.
which one ang mas gusto mong dip? Yung chocolate, yung strawberry?
Pareho.
Pareho. How about the toppers? Which one ang pinaka-gusto mo?
Yung may... Ito.
Alin yan?
Skip.
Ganip. Sino yung gusto mo?
Tapos, isa pa yung Halloween.
Halloween. Okay.
Meron pa ako sasabihin.
Ay, meron pa.
Meron pang isa pa ako sasabihin.
Oh, ano?
Hit that subscribe button. Happy Halloween!
Me too.
Jeriel, which dip is, your favorite? The choco or the strawberry? Mas gusto mo yung chocolate. Okay. How about the toppers? Which one is your favorite? The toppers, which one? The sprinkles, the Halloween toppers?
Everything.
Everything. Why everything?
Because it's all everything of Christmas.
Yes. Okay, how about, you taste na yung donut nyo. Dali. You eat. Get your favorite donut, Which one ang pinakagusto nyo?
I'm gonna use my spoon.
Bro,
Sige.
that's your tiny spoon.
Ano yung pinakagusto nyo? Dali, you eat that. Monster Eater.
Competition.
Dali, you eat your donut. The eyeball. How about the donut? You eat the donut with
Hold
sprinkle. Okay.
It's really hard.
Ano yung kinuha mo, kuya? Let me see.
Ay, nakain ko na yung isa ko.
Nakain na. Ayan yung kinuha mo ngayon.
I'm gonna
Okay.
eat this grain.
Yung mga toppers po na ginamit natin dito sa DIY mini donuts, lahat po siya edible. How's your experience doing using the topper and eating the topper, kuya?
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
lahat nakakain, di ba? Okay, how about you, Jeriel? You can eat all the toppers? Okay. So guys, kinakain na namin yung mga donuts sa Sambayon. Yan. Ito yung gawa ni Jeriel, kinakain ko na. And they are also eating, their mini donuts na ginawa nila. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yeah, that's a good thing na nag-enjoy yung mga kids natin using this DIY mini donuts. Kasi aside dun sa nagbabanding na ang kids nyo, pati na rin kayo, e-enhance pa yung creativity ng ating mga anak. So, yun lang. Hanggang dito na lang ating video. Till our next vlog. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe and like.
Bye. Happy Halloween.